Welcome all subscribers. So today we're going to be doing the limited fluffy slime. But before, I want you to do me a huge favor. I want you to subscribe, click that bell, and like and share. Now let's get on to this video. So today what you'll be needing is a gallon of glue. This is going to be at the end. This is like just for an ASMR thing. A mixing tool, activator, wax and water, glitter is optional, of course shaving foam, and lotion. Now let's start doing our stuff. So first you'll be needing your gallon of glue. Let's pour this in. OMG. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now let's just stir that a little bit so it can get used to doing all that. Whoa, it's thick already for some reason. Then you're going to add your glitter. Make sure you don't add too much or it's going to be Now mix it. Oh, pinky. It's pink. Favorite color. Oh yeah, comment down below what's your favorite color. Okay, after that, here's the foaming shaving cream. Let's do this thing. Here's the wards. Everywhere. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Okay. And it's gonna make your slime kind of lighter than it was. So you can, if you want, you can put food coloring in it. It's optional, you don't have to. And glitter is definitely optional. Okay, next I'll buy my lotion. Wait. Just eyeball it, just make sure you don't put way too much. Oh, it smells super good. I think I should add a little bit more glitter. Sorry, glitter is super pretty. I'm going to add a little bit more foaming shaving cream. And then, time for the activator. Just take a little bit at a time or it's going to turn out horrible. I want to do it with my hands, but I don't think I'm ready. I'm just gonna put my hands in there now. Here's some slime ASMR. Super fluffy. That's what you really want to get. It's very fluffy slime. So guys, that was the end of the video. I want you to click that bell like I told you and like and share. Bye!